It's your girl, Sounds of Shar'e, and I caught up with these models at the 2020 Meet the Artist casting call for the one and only international fashion designer, Nikki Blaine. Think you've got what it takes to rock the runway for Nikki? Well, there's another opportunity coming up. Get on over to Facebook and like our page, New View TV, and stay up to date with Up Close, Unplugged, and Uncut. I'm your girl, Sounds of Shar'e, and now let you in on all the 411. Make sure you stay tuned to me for all things fashion, only on Up Close, Unplugged, and Uncut. I'm your girl, Sounds of Shar'e, and only on New View TV.